Hello everybody, it's Mike and Michelle, and we are out here in Indiana today. So what's happening is I'm taking a little break from editing some of the videos I got in the Philippines a few weeks ago. Took a lot of video, but today we got blessed with some great weather, sunny weather. Had a little bit of rain yesterday, so the waterfalls are going to be going, and we're out here going to check out this place called Saalman, S-A-A-L-M-A-N Hollow, and recommended by our friend Tim Stoops. And right there, that's his book, giving us a lot of ideas. I messaged him yesterday about any recommendations to do, and I think this was one of them. So here we go. Everything's looking pretty cool. Just gotta be careful because since it rained yesterday, these rocks are gonna be slippery. And look, we're onto something here. Ooh, oh man. We might have to get around this or figure out a way to climb down. Let me get you all a little closer. Hell yeah. Look at this, folks. So we're gonna have to find our way around this one. That looks pretty awesome. Let me do some recon. What do you think? Yeah.
It's gonna be cool once we get down there.
Yeah, once we find a way down there. I'm gonna walk up this a little bit. Be careful, because these rocks are slick. Ooh, shit, that's slick. Yeah, that's slick. Huh? I'm just gonna follow this creek up a little bit. Let you see this. The rocks are pretty slick. There's Mrs. B. Looks like we found a way down in here. Yep. Check it out. So, looks like we're just gonna probably follow this down a little bit and then maybe backtrack so we can go up in a little box canyon thingy. We are good to go now. We took a little stop and got our bearings straight and checked on Tim's information in his book, The Hidden Hoosier Hikes. Wonder where all that water went. So it must be underneath here somewhere. Maybe there's a cave where the water's gone to. But we're gonna follow this down. We just spotted a rock shelter up here, so we're gonna get to check that out.
This is a big dip right there.
Have a look at these huge rocks. Probably came from up there. Yeah, you can see the spaces where they came from. This is crazy how this creek bed is just dry. There's another huge rock that tumbled down from the rock faces up there. Wonder if anyone heard that. Let me take y'all up here so y'all can see this view. All right, I'm gonna switch this over. Okay, look at this. Look at the rocks. Up this might go somewhere, but this is in between these two big boulders. Nothing in there. And let's see. Let me zoom this out. Michelle's planning her pictures. Let's see. Look at that. These are so cool. Look at this. Looks like it's a sinkhole right here. Right here, this is where we came down. We finally found our way down. And over here you'll see, right there, you'll see a little gate. But we're gonna keep on walking up this creek. Maybe we can find where the water went. And we're gonna get into that ravine. All right, we'll see in a second. Heard some water over here, so I think it's a little waterfall. Now this looks promising, and it sounds promising. Make our way up it. A little bit of a waterfall. Look up there. That rock's pulled away from the ridge there. Cool. Some deer prints back here. No sign of humans back here. Definitely deer coming back here. Got a little bit of ice down here. Right there. These briars are getting to us, tying us up and almost eating us alive. So we're trying to be as careful as we can to navigate around them. And we've spotted another rock shelter. Hopefully it pans out to be pretty cool. Now we gotta get past these briars. All right. Well, you want to have lunch here? We're going to have a late lunch here. I don't even know what time it is. It's a little before 3 o'clock. Michelle wants to have a quaint, romantic lunch by the waterfall. All right, I better hurry up and get down there and get some lunch with Michelle. She opened up that bag of garlic plantain chips.
We should have bought some our little guac.
Oh, some guac, yeah.
That'd been good. We could have.
That'd have been good. Tell you what, this is the life. Getting me some ham and some cheese.
Cheers.
There's Michelle, and we're just chilling out here, out in the woods in this big rock shelter with the waterfall. This is the life. This whole box canyon is littered with these huge boulders, whole huge rocks. Another one right there, this one right here. We're still walking up the creek, and we've kind of figured the climb out places. Now check this out. There's a pretty good stream coming down this way, and let's follow this. And then it ends right here. There's got to be a cave or something underneath here where that water's going. Cause see, dry, and then right here that water just disappears. Seeing where this takes us sounds promising too, so oh, this is cool. Check this out. Wow. This one's pretty nice too. Look at that. What do you think, Miss B? Yeah, that's cool. Well, time's getting away from us. Hey, hang on, check this out. Look at this. It's a fire ring underneath this rock shelter. I don't know if that's permitted. Someone carved what? Oh, wow, look at this, 1980. CC 1980. All right, we're gonna head on down. I think there's one more waterfall on the way back. We want to go check out the ravine, get up to that, and then we gotta find a place where we can climb back out of this. Michelle, how many waterfalls is that we've seen? Three? Yeah. So, I think that we're top of that one, right? I think so. All right. Trying to get my way around these freaking briars. Here's what we're looking at. Big old ledge up there. Another one of them big rocks. Look at the cliffs, the coloration.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
We're still following the creek up. Gonna head up into that ravine. The walls are starting to close in. Oh shit. That rock's slippery back there. That over there looks pretty cool, but we hear a waterfall down this way. So we're gonna check that out. Look at that water. I wonder how clean that is. But we're gonna head over this way because I hear hear the waterfall. So this is a pretty successful outdoor day. Checking this out. Oh. All right. That was a nice little surprise here. And now we're gonna go check out the ravine. That's when we first started the hike. We were right above the ravine. And from what I can tell, looking down to the creek, looks pretty cool. So we're gonna squeeze that in, and hopefully we have enough daylight to get out of here. How about this? I'm gonna walk along this cliff line here, and I guess this is. Ooh, here it goes. Let me show you this. Look at this. Look at that. This is pretty flippin' awesome. Well, the phone died, so I'm going to be doing video from the GoPro. And like I said before, you can tell the walls are closing in on us, and we're getting into this really cool ravine. Oh man, this is really cool. Look at that. That's huge. Michelle better not be sneezing and being allergic to something like this, because this is beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. This is super cool.
It's like keeping eye on shade.
Yeah. But a lot closer.
We have it all to ourselves.
Oh, so that's it right there.
That's cool.
Oh, man. Wow.
Oh, there's a waterfall.
Yeah. We were thinking, we had seen this spot right here, and we thought, oh, there's a place to climb down, but look, you've got that whole cliff line, and it's just this deep ravine.
Here, right?
Yeah, we started right above this.
That's so cool.
This is pretty extraordinary. You see that? Getting closer. So cool. Can't get any further. I guess we can, but that's too deep right there. Let's see if I can get angle around here. You can kind of see. Now, if I had my phone camera, I'd be able to zoom in a little bit better, but I can't. And let's look back at where we were coming from.
How far can we get?
Yeah.
Looks like it's
There you have it, folks. One of the many waterfalls in here. This is the Saalman Hollow Ravine. We saw a bunch of cool waterfalls. We missed out on the double falls, but we'll probably have to come back and do that again because the sun's starting to escape us and we need to get out of this and head back to the car and head back to the Ville. But thanks for joining us on this little excursion here. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, Base Camp Bukayu, and we'll see you on the next one.